Have you ever needed to quickly copy text from an image on your Windows computer? Well, it's easier than you think, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, make sure you have the image that contains the text you want to extract. Next, press Shift plus Windows key plus S to open the snipping tool. Now, simply capture the part of the screen that includes your text. Once the screenshot is taken, a small notification will appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on that notification to open the editing window. Inside the Snipping Tool editor, look for the Text Actions button. This is where the magic happens. Click it, and Windows AI will automatically analyze your screenshot and extract all visible text from the image. After a few seconds, you'll see the recognized text appear right in front of you. Now, just select Copy All Text, and you're done. You can paste that text anywhere in Word, Notepad, or even directly into your browser. It's fast, simple, and completely built into Windows. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.